Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And before we even begin with this beautiful Bible study in Proverbs, all honor and glory and praise goes to Jehovah God in Yeshua's name. Proverbs chapter 6. My son, if thou be surety for thy friend, if thou hast sticken thy hand with a stranger, thou art snared with the words of thy mouth. Thou art taken with the words of thy mouth. Do this now, my son, and deliver thyself. When thou art come into the hand of thy friend, go humble thyself, and make sure thy friend. Give not sleep to thine eyes, nor slumber to thy eyelids. Deliver thyself as a roe from the hand of the hunter, and as a bird from the hand of the fowler. Go to the ant, thou sluggard, consider her ways, and be wise, which having no guide, overseer, or ruler, provideth her meat in the summer, and gathereth her food in the harvest. How long wilt thou sleep, O sluggard? When wilt thou arise out of thy sleep? Yet a little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep. So shall the poverty come as one that travelleth, and thy want as an armed man. A naughty person, a wicked man, walketh with a froward mouth. He winketh with his eyes, he speaketh with his feet, he teacheth with his fingers. Frowardness is in his heart. He devised mischief continually. He soweth discord. Therefore shall his calamity come suddenly. Suddenly shall he become broken without remedy. These 6 things doth the Lord hate, yea, even 7 are an abomination unto him: a proud look, a lying tongue, and hands that shed innocent blood, and heart that deviseth wicked imaginations, feet that be swift in running to mischief, a false witness that speaketh lies, and he that soweth discord among brethren. My son, keep thy father's commandment, and forsake not the law of thy mother. Bind thy continually upon thine heart, and tie them about thy neck. When thou goest, it shall lead thee. When thou sleepest, it shall keep thee. And when thou awakest, it shall talk with thee. For the commandment is a lamp, and the law is light, and reproofs of instruction are the way of life. To keep thee from the evil woman, from the flattery of the tongue of a strange woman. Lust not after her beauty in thine heart, neither let her take thee with her eyelids. For by means of a whorish woman, a man is brought to a piece of bread, and the adulteress will hunt for the precious life. Can a man take fire in his bosom, and his clothes not be burned? Can one go upon hot coals, and his feet not be burned? So he that goeth into his neighbor's wife, whosoever toucheth her shall not be innocent. Men, do not despise a thief, if he steal to satisfy his soul when he is hungry. But if he be found, he shall restore sevenfold. He shall give all the substance of his house. But whoso committeth adultery with a woman lacketh understanding. He that doeth it destroyeth his own soul. For ruin and dishonor shall he get, and his reproach shall not be wiped away. For jealousy is the rage of a man, therefore he will not spare in the day of vengeance. He will not regard any ransom, neither will he rest content, though thou givest many gifts.
Beautiful soul family, if you have enjoyed today's message, I am so thankful that it has reached your heart, which is my audience. Beautiful soul family, I'll also ask that you please, if you haven't done already, subscribe, hit the like button, and share this message. I'm sure there are other people out there who just need an encouragement to go on through the rest of their day, or wherever they're finding themselves in their life. Sometimes, we go through forks in the road, and it's usually that kind word, that message of enlightenment even, that helps us to make wise decisions before we move forward. I also encourage you to donate. I have the information in the description box, but I also have it right here. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless.